Welcome to Sir Kailash Chandra dictation transcription number 461. 100 word per minute. Ready? Start. Administration, as we all know, has grown not only in volume but also in complexity. So it is but proper that the House attaches the greatest importance to the machinery which is charged with the responsibility of the seeing that the recruitment and the discipline of the services are maintained at the highest possible standard. Sir, the report before the House gives a clean bill to the government. But from what some of the honorable members pointed out during the debate, it seems to me that the report is significant for what it omits to say. For instance, my honorable friend Mr. Bhargava drew attention to a number of alleged irregularities on the part of the Commission and the ministries. Full stop. We do not know how far they are true because they do not find a place in the report. Probably they fall outside the years to which the report relates. But if the observations made by my honorable friend are borne out by facts, it is a matter for serious consideration if the Commission's role should be what it is generally expected to be by the government and the House. It has probably to assume a superior role if it is to control effectively the policy of recruitment and the standard of efficiency in the services generally. Sir, I shall not go into the question referred to by the honorable member, and we expect the honorable member to throw more light on the aspects which were brought to the notice of the House. Sir, reference has been made to fall in standards. It is said that education in the universities and the education system generally should improve, and unless that is so, we cannot have the desired personnel to man the services. In that connection, honorable members have referred to the need for improving not only the university stage of education but also the secondary stage. I would like to go a step further and say that the whole system of education has to be looked upon as one integrated whole, and unless we strengthen our education system from the very bottom, it is no use our concentrating only on the university stage or the secondary stage. Even from the primary level, education as a whole is in a melting pot, not with regard to the curriculum alone but also with regard to the medium of education and its objectives. Full stop.